This may seem like a real ASMR video, but it's not. What you're seeing was completely created using AI. And here's something even more interesting. A TikTok account using this type of content gained millions of views just weeks after launching. Their first post was published in early June 2025. In this video, I'll walk you through how to make these viral AI-generated ASMR clips step by step. Before we jump in, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more viral content creation tricks. Let's get started. As a first step, let's access Canva for free. I go to the Canva homepage and click on Sign Up. Choose your preferred method. I'm signing up with my Google account. You can skip the personalization steps for now. Once you reach the home dashboard, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner and head to the Plans and Pricing section. Here I'm selecting the free trial for the Pro plan. After entering my card details, the 1-month free trial begins. You can cancel anytime during the trial period, or continue using Pro features if you enjoy the experience and find the tools helpful. Now, let's set up Canva AI for video production. Head over to the Canva homepage and find the Canva AI button on top of the page. Click it to activate all the exciting features powered by artificial intelligence designed to speed up your creative process and help you produce stunning content effortlessly. Among them, look for Create a Video Clip. This is what we will use today. Important note, to activate this feature, make sure your Canva language is set to English US. You can update the language by clicking your profile icon, selecting Settings, and then choosing Language from the menu. After selecting the video clip tool, the first step is to choose your frame size. Currently, only the widescreen 16:9 format is available, so we'll go with that. Then you can adjust the video duration. Right now, Canva only supports 8-second clips using this feature. Custom durations are coming soon. Now that Canva AI is set up, it is time to start creating our prompts. Let's walk through how to create ASMR-style glass fruit video prompts using ChatGPT. We'll start with a detailed base prompt. It describes a hyper-realistic cinematic close-up of a glass fruit being sliced, complete with ASMR sound effects, smooth textures, and macro lens visuals. You can find this prompt in the description. Next, we use this prompt in ChatGPT to generate 10 random variations of the scene using different fruits and matching colors. At first, the results might come back too short or include abbreviations, like you see here. So, we follow up with a simple instruction. Please write out the prompts completely without using shortened words. Now the outputs are much richer, perfect for creative use. We then copy all 10 refined prompts and save them in a Google Doc for easy reference. And that's it for this step. In the next step, we'll bring these prompts to life, turning them into stunning videos. Now that we have our refined prompts, let's bring them to life in Canva. I'm starting with the first glass fruit prompt. I paste it into the Canva setup we prepared earlier and let Canva generate the visuals. It only takes 2 minutes. Here's the result. Notice the smooth slicing motion, jelly-like texture, and the cinematic lighting. Let's repeat the process with 3 more prompts to build a small set of videos. Each one offers a slightly different look and feel, depending on the fruit and color combination. Using dark props or backgrounds helps create stronger contrast, making the transparent glass and soft lighting really stand out. And remember, you're not limited to fruit. You can experiment with stones, crystals, or fluid shapes to get different ASMR effects. Canva's free plan gives you 5 AI-generated videos, so try a few and see what inspires you. Upgrade only if you're ready to create more. That's a wrap. To quickly recap, we signed up for a free Canva Pro trial. Set it up for video production, use the prompt in the description to generate glass fruit ASMR video ideas, and finally brought those ideas to life with Canva. If this guide helped you, drop an Apple emoji in the comments. It boosts the channel and keeps me motivated to create more content like this. And if you're into AI content creation, make sure to subscribe for more tips, tools, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.